Hey guys, wstone here with Benson and Mangold Real Estate. Now today I'm going to bring you 23203 Stewart Way. Now this is located in McDaniel, Maryland. Now McDaniel, Maryland is located just outside of St. Michael's. All right, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, located on about 3.23 acres. The home was built in about 2005, but honestly it looks even newer than that. The homeowner's taken some really good care of their home. If you want to go see it, feel free to contact me. My contact information is below, and I'll be happy to show you around. All right, chat with you guys soon. Enjoy the tour. Do a walk around the property here. A lot of space. These owners have 2 dogs. This home was built in around 2005, so it's nice, new, and modern. Not much to do out here. They got a fenced-in backyard. Nice little sun deck. Just really well put together. Let's check out this deck here. Leads to the living room. Just really nice. I love the way this house is landscaped and laid out in general. Alright, so let's head around the side here. Got a nice little storage area for some lawn equipment. Out of sight, out of mind. Nice driveway here with plenty of parking. Let's head on inside and see what we can see. So, one thing you'll notice right away is how open this house is. Big living room, dining area, and a nice modern kitchen over here. Granite countertops. Just really nice. Just open. Love that you can just socialize with everyone as you're making dinner, making drinks. Over here they got a nice office, work remotely. I think they also use it as a spare bedroom sometimes in case they got extra people visiting. Nice big first floor master. This is a king bed to put everything in perspective for you. Walk-in closet over here with a window. And then ensuite master bath. Just really well laid out. Let's go upstairs. But before we do, we'll check out the half bath right here. Nice easy access. and up the stairs. God, even the carpet is real nice. So this is bedroom number 2. A nice walk-in closet. And this nice walk-in attic, which I think is a great touch. This could be finished. You could do a lot of stuff with this, but it's just nice not climbing up an attic ladder. You can store your stuff with ease. Alright, let's check out the shared bathroom here in between the second and third bedrooms. Shower, tub. Just, again, everything is really nicely appointed. It's nice and modern and simple. All right, here's the third bedroom. And again, another walk-in closet that leads to more walk-in attic space. I mean, the storage here is amazing. Okay, well, let's head downstairs. We'll check out the laundry room and garage real quick. While we do, we'll take a quick pano around. Here's the laundry room. Washer dryer. Currently doing a load right now. And then 2-car garage. This place is fantastic. Lots of storage again. Got a wash basin. They got a water softener over here. It looks to be gas-fired water heater too, which is great. Well, that concludes the video. If you guys want to check this place out, find my contact information below. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Hit the like button, that really helps the channel out a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next tour.